Hey guys, in this video I wanted to talk about bedding for your bedroom. I have been basically kind of fighting insomnia the last week or so, and so has my husband, and it's been kind of crazy. So what we've done is actually try to make our bedroom as comfortable and cozy as possible. And so I wanted to kind of share with you some of the things that I found on YouTube, also Google, and some other influencers that shared some of their tips and tricks on making their room a little bit more cozy. And I wanted to share with you some of the finds that I have basically discovered that has been amazing in terms of just being able to get me comfortable enough to like sleep and all that. Alright, so I want to talk about these linen sheets that I found at Target. I was following Arvin Alano and he was talking about these Casaluna sheets from Target. They are very expensive. They're over $100 some, but I wanted to kind of invest in our sleep because we hadn't been sleeping very well. And so I decided to invest like over $100 on basically a fitted sheet, a flat sheet, and 2 pillowcases. This is a California king size bed, so it was around $150. I'll go ahead and link directly to the linen sheets that I got, and they are amazing. If you have ever bought the Ikea Linblomma linen sheets, like those are really comfortable, but they are only like $100. These are a little bit more expensive, but they're softer, and if you like to sleep cool at night, these linen sheets are absolutely amazing. Like I cannot say enough about them. I have purchased very expensive sheets before, and they do not compare to these Casaluna sheets that are linen. So when you're buying it from Target, they have like I think 2 lines. There's a subpoena, I don't know how I pronounce it, but there's a subpoena like sheet, and then there's the linen sheets. Make sure you get the linen sheets. I cannot say enough about it. They have all sorts of different colors, a lot of bohemian type colors, even black and pinks. I got the plain white sheets and they are incredible. The pillowcases are really expensive as well. For 2 standard pillowcases, I think it was like $50. So I did get pillowcases and they are also amazing. I cannot say enough about them. If you get the pillow shams, I just want you to see like it's see-through. Like it literally is see-through. And so I just want you to be aware if you're like wanting to make sure that your room is decorative and pretty, like I just want you to know that you can see the blue line of my pillow. So just FYI there. So a while back, I was looking at my party barn sofa and looking at who like made the cushions, because the cushions are top-notch, amazing. Pacific Coast apparently makes cushions for Pottery Barn sofas, and so I wanted to kind of check them out, and I found that they are amazing for pillows as well. And so I ordered these pillows. These pillows, again, very expensive, over $100, but they are absolutely amazing. I have 2 of them. Ryan doesn't like them, but I love them. They're feather pillows, and they're super soft. If you like firm pillows, this pillow might not be for you, but I'll go ahead and link down below. It is totally worth it, especially when I'm sleeping, and with the Casaluna linen like pillowcases, it's amazing. It is a dream come true. Also in our bedroom, we've got this sofa right here. It is actually disgusting. My kids, obviously I have 4 kids, and they've colored on the sofa. There's a ton of stains on this sofa, so I'll show you guys what that looks like. To be honest, like for someone who loves neutrals and also having 4 kids, that doesn't mesh, and I know that a lot of my stuff has like grime and stuff on it. That's okay, I'm just gonna deal with it. But overall, I love this chair. I got it at Pier 1 Imports. I know they don't have a lot of stores left, but I'll go ahead and see if I can't find something similar at World Market as well, because I know they have a version of this chair there. And then I also realized that it's really important to change out your blankets for winter versus summer. With my winter blanket, I actually love it. I'll go ahead and link down below because it's nice and warm and cozy, but I decided to pack it up. It is midsummer, obviously. Got a lighter blanket from Amazon. It has changed the way that we sleep because obviously you shouldn't be using a winter comforter in the summer, and so we now have a summer versus winter comforter. And if you guys haven't like changed out your comforter for the seasons, I would recommend you do so. This blanket was only like, this comforter was only about $40, and so I'll go ahead and link down below to the one that we have. I don't have a duvet cover on top of this, but I do know that the Casaluna line has a duvet cover as well as pillow shams, but what I read on the reviews is that it's too heavy, especially during the summer, so I did not get it. Instead, I'm just using it like plain without a duvet cover. I know it's probably gross for some of you guys to not have a duvet cover on top of a blanket, but we've just decided not to invest in the linen comforter because we have the sheets, like the flat sheet, so I don't think we necessarily need the linen duvet cover. I wanted to also talk about some of the gadgets that we have we have this humidifier in here. I have to fill it up every night, but it's also great just for respiratory and all that stuff. So it runs pretty much daily, and so I'll go ahead and link down below to that. But this has been a game changer for me in terms of just like my allergies and just being able to sleep at night. We also have the Echo Show here. I think it's the Show 8. I'll go ahead and link down below to the one that I have. I don't know why it says forbidden here. But the bad thing about this is that the display is really bright at night, even when it's like black on the back. So I'll have to like tell her to turn off the display at night so that basically there's not a lot of light in our space. And then lastly, we have a diffuser. I've never been like an incense or essential oils person. I thought it was like kind of hokey pokey, but it's actually been a game changer for us. So I bought this off of Amazon, this wood one, and then I bought a bunch of these like Target incense. I'm sure there's like a ton more that I could use. Some of it actually smells like gross, like weed, but some of it like smells kind of gross. So I love the lavender and the eucalyptus, and so I'm looking for some others. So if you guys have any recommendations on other incense that smells good but also provides a peace, calm, like collective like vibe, go ahead and comment down below and let me know. So there you have it. Those are my main like products that I absolutely love for a bedroom. I mean, it is an investment for sure. I totally get it. We have been sleeping on like $20 sheets for the last 6 years, and we decided to make an investment, and let me just tell you, it's been a game changer for us. In the last week or so, after getting like all this, we have had better sleep now. I know it sounds crazy in terms of like just changing out your sheets. That's really, really important, I feel like. And so if you want to make that investment for your 8 hours of sleep that you get at night, do so, because I would highly recommend that you do so. The other thing that we did was we actually made sure that we rotated the bed a little bit with a California King. Like we could only rotate it from like back to front because of the size. And so just make sure that you also rotate your bed every so often. One thing that we are ordering is this bed that we slept on our Disney cruise. I know that sounds really crazy, but it is a thing. And so I looked up on a bunch of like Disney forums, and people actually order these beds, like they're hospitality beds, and you can't get them online or anything like that. You actually have to email them or call them, and they send you this form that you fill out, and then you submit it back, and then they call you to get your credit card, and then they basically ship the bed to you and take the old bed if you want them to. And so we are in the middle of ordering that. The California King was I think around $900. That's without like the bottom part, and so I'm excited about that. I just remember just having the best night's sleep ever on the Disney cruise ship, which sounds really crazy, but I'm gonna go ahead and order that. I'll do another review to let you guys know how it basically ships and what it looks like, and also all the things that you want to know in terms of comfort. There you have it. That is how we make our bedroom comfy and cozy. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. I'll go ahead and link to all the products that I use here, and if you guys like videos like this, make sure you click on the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell to get notifications the next time I create new videos. Thanks guys, bye!